So you got a PC that you want to upgrade to Windows 11, which is unsupported both when it comes to CPU and TPM requirements, and don't want to faff around with creating a bootable USB and performing a clean install. By the way, if you want to do a clean install, I've created a video just up here you can check out. This is for the upgrade people. Step 1, back up all your important files. This is a no-brainer because stuff can go wrong even though you perfectly follow this video, so always do that. Step 2, download the Windows 11 ISO. I've linked it in the description below, but it's simple as clicking on download 64-bit Windows 11 after choosing your language. Now open Start and type in regedit and press enter. Now navigate to HKey local machine, system setup, MoSetup. Now click on the MoSetup folder and then right click on the empty space on the right and create a new dword value. Name the value AllowUpgradesWithUnsupportedTPMOrCPU. Now mount the Windows 11 ISO that you downloaded earlier by double clicking it and then click on setup and you're good to go. That's easy as that. Now upgrade your any old Windows 10 system to Windows 11 to your heart's content and let me know down in the comments which hardware did you manage to actually upgrade to Windows 11 and how much you enjoy using it. I just upgraded my old, probably 8-year-old dual-core Intel to Windows 11 just fine. If you have any trouble following the guide at any stage, there is a Discord link in the description below. You can reach out to me. And anyway guys, smash that like button if this video helped you. Consider subscribing and dinging that notification bell if you want to watch more content like this. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.